Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today we are going to compare two popular productivity tools. The topic is Evernote versus Trello. One is mainly for notes and the other one is for task and project. Many people ask which one is better. So in this video we will look at both and you will understand which tool is best for your own work. But before we begin, please remember to check the description. I have added some special links there, and by using those links you can get free trial, discounts and extra benefit. So don't forget to look at them after watching this video. Alright, let's get started. First, let's talk about Evernote. Evernote is a note-taking app. You can write note, save article, attach file and organize everything into this notebook. Now this time Evernote is very popular for people who want to keep all their ideas, documents and remembers in one place. It also syncs across phone, tablet and computer, so your notes are always with you. Now Trello is different. Trello is a task management tool. It is based on boards, list and card. You can create a board for project and list like to do, doing, done or this kind of, and then you can move the task step by step. In the present time, Trello is still one of the easiest tool for project management, especially for small teams and personal tasks. So now let's compare them. When we look at purpose, Evernote is not about information. You can use it to capture notes, save ideas or collect documents. Other side, Trello is about action. You use it to plan tasks, track progress and finish your project. So one is for storing and another is for just doing. Next, let's talk about the ease of use. Evernote is simple. You just type notes or paste information and it is saved. Other side, Trello is also simple but it works more visually. You drag and drop the card and you see the progress move across the board. So if you like writing, Evernote feels natural, and if you feel visual style, then Trello feels better and easier. Now let's talk about the feature. Evernote has powerful search and you can scan document, clip web pages and even record voice notes. Trello has automations with apps like Slack, Google Drive and many more. So Evernote is stronger for storing and searching. Trello is stronger for planning and teamwork. Now let's talk about the pricing. Now this time both tool has the free version, so you can use that for free. But Evernote free is good, but the premium plan gives you more storage and feature. Other side, Trello free is also nice and premium adds timeline view, automation and advanced feature. So if you only need simple use, both free plans are good. So finally, let's see who should use what. If you are a student, writer or professional who need to take a lot of notes, Evernote is the better option for you. But if you are managing project, deadlines or teamwork, Trello is the better choice for you. Some people even use both together. Evernote is for note taking and Trello is for task. So the final result is Evernote is great for notes and information. Trello is great for tasks and projects. So your choice depends on whether you want to remember ideas or organize your work. This was the comparison between Evernote and Trello. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If this did, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.